So the most important controls you need to know are those that you may have to use on the move. So the examiner could ask you to lower your driver's window, push the button down firmly, and if you lift it up, the window will come all the way up. The horn is in the middle here. Simply press a couple of times. To demist the front window is this symbol here. Press again for off. Below that is the rear demister, and again off. The other control they could ask you is to put the headlights on. So we twist this control once for dipped or parking lights, and twice for, gone the wrong way, parking lights. Twist it towards you, twist again for dipped. Main beam, should you need it, will show on the dash. Push the control forward. And to switch off, twist it towards you twice. Could ask you to wash the front windows. This is control on the right. Pull it towards you and the window screen will wash, and they'll stop automatically. The rear window you push away, and if we look in the mirror here, we can see the back window wiper going, and the window's been washed as well, and they will both stop automatically.